First of all, starting with the beautiful name of Allah, who is the most merciful and compassionate. Hello guys, it's me, the author of Spoken English Corner. Today I am here with another short lesson which is really informative and interesting for you guys, so please stay tuned. Anyway guys, today's lesson is about must and have to. As you know, must and have to are modal verbs. So beyond modal verb, must and have to give an indication about necessity, obligation or compulsion. So both of them are the synonyms of necessity. So let's start the topic without wasting of your precious time. When we talk about necessity in present or near future, so we can use either must or have to. But there is a difference in meaning, although the main point of our today's topic is the difference between must and have to. Whereas I'm going to define the difference between both within few steps with the help of few steps along with examples. So let's move towards those few steps along with examples. So here I have picked one steps, and as well as I will also expose other steps with you guys. So first of all, let's have a look at to the first one. Must is used when the speaker feels the necessity, and have to when the necessity outside the speakers. So look, I am the speaker and I feel the necessity about the situation for someone. I am the speaker, I feel the necessity for someone about the situation. Like look, you can easily understand from this example which I have made it here. With the help of this example, I will clear your concept. You must buy your ticket before starting your journey. You must buy your ticket before starting your journey, because the situation wouldn't be like this, that where you are going to get in the train at a station, but before getting to the train you need to purchase a ticket. Once you will arrive to that place, so there will be no facilities for you to purchase a ticket. So here I am the speaker and I feel the necessity about the situation for someone that you need to purchase a ticket before starting your journey. So let's have a look at to the another portion of this step. Have to when the necessity is outside the speaker. Have to when the necessity is outside the speaker. So here the speaker feels the necessity about the situation. So please concentrate towards this another example which I have written it for you guys. I have to buy the ticket before I get on the train. Like I am the speaker and I feel the necessity about a situation that I need to purchase a ticket before get on the train. So here the speaker feels the necessity about the situation, and in first portion the speaker feels the necessity about the situation for someone, and in the last portion the speaker feels the necessity about the situation and he is trying to express the necessity with other guys. I hope your concept about this step has been cleared. So now we are moving towards the next step. By the way guys, here we go to the next one. Like the next step is must is used to order someone to do something, and have to is a way of telling them that what is necessary in the situation, is a way of telling them or is a way of apprising them what is necessary in the situation. So again here I have made two examples, so please be concentrate towards those examples, because with the help of those examples your concept will clear about these steps, which is the difference between must and have to. You must fill the form. You must fill the form, I am telling you. So we can use must for order to someone as well. The next example, which is totally related to this one, the next portion of the second step. You have to fill the form. You have to fill the form, that's the rule. You have to fill the form, that's the rule. I hope your confusion has been cleared about this second step. Therefore guys, let's move towards the next step that we have for today's lesson, which is must has no past, continuous, future, infinitive or ing form, but contrast to must that have to replace by had to, having to, or will have to. I have made example on all of them. Like with the help of those examples, you will get the idea that how can you bring them in your own conversation. So that's the difference. Must cannot be replaced by past, present, continuous, infinitive or ing form, but have to replaced by had to, having to, or will have to. So I have made a few examples on them. As I told you, I had to pay $15 fee for renewal. I had to pay $15 fee for renewal. I will have to go abroad for master. I will have to go abroad for master. This one is related with this one. And having to, I'm having to spend a lot of time in traveling. I am having to spend a lot of time in traveling. So the last one step for today's lesson is we can use must for enjoyable movement as well. We can use must for enjoyable movement as well. So the example on it, you must watch this new comedian movie for entertaining or enjoying. You must watch this new comedy movie for entertaining and enjoying. So that's all about today's lesson, which was the difference between must and have to. I hope your confusion or your idea about must and have to has been cleared. So before leaving this lesson, if you guys are new here on my channel and watching my video at first time, so go and click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit on the bell icon as well for more amazing content about spoken English. If you found this video was helpful and beneficial for you, so please like this video and share it with others. Maybe they will take some benefits from it. So see you in the next lesson. Goodbye and take care of yourself.